Hey guys, welcome back. My daughter likes it when I do like stupid stuff. Anyway, just as I call weird. I did that purposely because she's sitting here. But anyway, I'm back with another project share video. This is a die from KSCRAFT, and it's the tissue. It's the like toilet paper tissue box holder, I guess. And I actually am using it for tissue paper, not toilet paper, but tissue paper. And this one is going to stay on my desk. And it's super, super cute. So a whole box of tissue paper fits in this roll because it's kind of like a circle. And all you got to do is open the box sideways, pull it out, and just pop it in here. But look how cute. I love it. So I'm not gonna lie, the lid for me was a little difficult. I struggled a little bit, but then I started watching Nicole's video, and she did explain that the lid was going to be a little difficult. Just take your time. And once I did that, it came out fine. And what I did was I put ribbon all around the edges and these little poofy hearts. This bow is from my friend Amy that she sent me, also with the pom-pom trim. Look how cute. And this one I'm going to keep on my desk. And look, this piece here has vellum. So when you need to take it out, see? Easy. So you always have tissue on your desk. So I think it came out super, super cute. Look at me trying to make it look all fancy. Look how cute. I love it. What else? That's the bottom. And let me just show you how it looks inside. You see? I put all the paper there. And that is it. So I hope you guys like it. I'll put the link in the description bar. And what you see back there is the houses also from KSCRAFT that I made yesterday. So I'll put that link in the description bar also. Actually, it's the video before this one. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys like this one. Give it a try. Let me know what you guys think. Bye.